Welcome to the homework solution tutorial on 2A through 2C. Here we will be covering using the distributive property to find the product, which is just to multiply. Let's look at number 3. We are going to distribute the term that is in front here, which is 2x, to each of the term. I'm going to use separate colors to distinguish it. The first one is going to be negative 2 times 3x squared. Okay? Now we can do that right here. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, leaving you with just the x squared. Next, we have negative 2 times 4x. So we just add negative 2 times 4x. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. Then the last term, the negative 2 is going to be distributed to, is the negative 5. So add negative 2 times negative 5, that gets you a positive 10. So there you go. That is what the polynomial would look like. Negative 6x squared minus 8x plus 10. It's in standard form. Same process as here. But remember, we have an x squared. Just to remind you, when we multiply exponents, like if this is a 2, multiply x to the 3, it becomes x to the 2 plus 3. So it becomes x to the 5th, right? You add the exponents. You add the exponents. The base stays the same. Okay, this is a base of x. This is a base of x. This is still a base of x. Okay, what happens here is you add the exponents. All right, let's do this. Okay, keep that up for you. All right, the first one, 3x squared times 4x cubed. I write it out so we can visually see it. 3x squared times 4x cubed. So, right, you can draw the dots so you could see the multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. X squared times x to the 3rd, so it's just x, the same base. You add the exponent, so 2 plus 3, that gets you 5. Good job. Next one, I'm going to use color blue. Add 3x squared. Okay. 3x squared times negative 5x. Okay? So we have 3 times negative 5. That gets you negative 15. Then you have an x. You have squared here, and you also x with this exponent here has an exponent of 1. So x squared times x1, you have to add the exponent. 2 plus 1 will make that a 3. Then the last term, 3x squared times 10. 3x squared times 10. 3 times 10 is just 30, and you just have the x squared here. There you go. The final polynomial is 12x to the 5th power minus 15x cubed plus 30x squared.